Yes, good morning to all. Today we are going to perform experiment number 5, and its object is to plot and study the characteristics of a small signal amplifier using FET. So to perform this experiment, the required apparatus are cathode ray oscilloscope, experiment kit, connecting wires, crocodile probes, manual, digital multimeter, etc. So for this experiment, we will use this circuit and we will plot observation table. For that, we will vary its frequency, and according to frequency we will note its output voltage, and then we will calculate voltage gain, and then voltage gain will be converted into dB, and between its frequency and voltage gain we will plot this graph. It is frequency response curve of FET amplifier, and using this plot we will calculate its frequency and voltage gain. We will calculate its bandwidth and its voltage gain. So this is the precautions and procedure, and everything is given in this manual. So manual will be referred for theoretical part. Now we will move into practical part. So how we will perform this experiment? So this FET amplifier is in common source configuration, and here to perform this experiment, actually as we know that it is a small signal amplifier. So for this experiment we will set input voltage V in 20 millivolt and 1 kilohertz frequency using this function generator, and we will measure this voltage on CRO. So for that, first we will connect crocodile probe for input signal, positive to positive and negative to negative, and switch on the CRO. It is 20 millivolt. Already we have set using function generator, so we can measure it that it is 20 millivolt or not. So 1 into 20. So our input voltage is 20 millivolt and its frequency is 1 kilohertz. This input voltage we have set using function generator. Now we will apply this input in this kit, and we will check its output that it is amplified or not. So for that we will connect our input with this input terminal of the FET amplifier. This is positive and this is negative. Circuit already connected, so we have to connect just its collector resistance and source resistance. So now this circuit is complete, and we have already connected its input terminal. Now we will observe its output on CRO, that how it is amplified. So for that we see that this is the amplified output of FET amplifier. So how much it is amplified? For that we can measure it, that it is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 20. So our output voltage is 4 into 20 millivolt. So this is the output voltage, this is input voltage. We can calculate its voltage gain, V naught upon V. This is our voltage gain. And for frequency response curve, we have to, using this XY mode, it will be superimposed on XY mode, and now by changing the frequency we will observe this output voltage, and we will plot its frequency response curve. It will be plotted between frequency and voltage gain. So it will looks like this. And for bandwidth, this is our maximum voltage gain. For bandwidth, we will divide AVM by under root 2. We will get 2 points. This is FL and this is FH. And for bandwidth, we will calculate FH minus FL. In this way, we will calculate the bandwidth of this FET amplifier, and we will perform this experiment in this way. Thank you.